Based on the reduced revised syllabus of CBSE, we would be covering in this section only the map locations. So today we would be talking about the map locations from history. So under history, only from the chapter on nationalism in India, we have two important segments under which map locations has been part of it. So first is where the important sessions of Indian National Congress were held, and the second is the major events in India as part of the nationalist movement. So when it comes to the Indian National Congress movement, the 1920 September session was held in Calcutta in West Bengal, and the December 1920 session in Nagpur in Maharashtra. Then we have another session which is important, which is in Madras in 1927. So Madras in Tamil Nadu, Nagpur in Maharashtra, and Kolkata in West Bengal are the important locations that are there. So three important Indian National Congress sessions that we would understand here. The next is under the major movements or the major events that happened as part of the nationalism movement in India. The first was a well-known movement, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar. So Amritsar located in Punjab, the first location you should be aware about. The next is Chaura, the Chaura located in UP, and that was the Chaura incident, which was the basis for the calling of the non-corporation movement. Then we have the Champaran in Bihar, where the Indigo planters movement started. In Gujarat, there are three important locations: Ahmedabad, Kheda, and Dandi. Ahmedabad was known for the cotton mill Satyagraha, or the strike, the workers' strike that took place. In Kheda, we had the important event which was called as the Peasant Satyagraha, and finally in Dandi, we had the civil disobedience movement. So those are the three important locations in Gujarat. So these were, we could say, the epicenters of the nationalism, the process of building nationalism in India, and a precursor to the India's independence. In the next session, we would be talking about important map locations for your geography SST paper as per the CBSE reduced syllabus. Stay tuned for many more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.